This is CUBOT Max 3, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. First of all, you need to launch the settings. At the settings, enter the apps and notifications category. Next, go for the default apps, choose browser app and simply select Opera, therefore making it the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do just that directly from the Opera application, so let's launch it. At the bottom right corner you want to click on your avatar, then go for settings, scroll the page down for a little bit and tap on the default browser section. Next, select Opera and choose to set it as default. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.